welcome back to the Berg, aka St. Petersburg. Gina and I are heading downtown. There's an Oddities show going on at the Coliseum. We should fit right in. You're a freak. I know you are, a PEV freak. Anyhow, I'm glad you're here. Stay tuned. Joe Rays. So yeah, we're heading into downtown. We're going to pass Tropicana Field, and there's a Tampa Bay's Rays game tonight. Thank you, ladies. Have enjoyed the game. Yep, this is the Oddities show. We are outside the St. Petersburg Coliseum. This place alone is a really old place. A lot of ghosts in here. All right, we're going in. Stand by. World of Oddities Expo. Check out this place. So cool. 1920s, pre-depression. All right, here we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What a cool ass show. The strange and the unusual rule, especially here on Frantic TV. You know that. Alright, we're out of here. Let's go get some food. Thanks for sticking to the end.